1413 Gill Street. Here with John that laid the floor. He's laying the top flooring down. Look like the back floor has been done. Got some more plywood coming for the top flooring. John, where are we on this project right now?
Well, you've been doing a pretty good job, and you're almost through with the floor. It's according to what kind of flooring you're gonna put on top of that.
So next, what will be the linoleum and and the sideboard, which we got over at the vent.
Yeah, we got plans.
Baseboard. Okay. And then we can just let the electricians they finish up with the plugs.
So right, yes sir.
And after that will be components. Okay, 1413, 1411 Gill, signing off.